I feel she didn't plan this whole noise. She didn't plan it.
Okay.
I feel say be a BB trigger and a man. Because we share videos now from the beginning to the last ones. It's like she really wasn't ready to talk about it. But Obi a trigger no.
As Obi share before.
At the beginning, no people thought, oh, April Fool, no money beer. Because she didn't seem too serious about it. At the point, Okoye in a wedding ring crash have a tray. Say me ring a cry new. And some people are even teasing us, who couldn't tell what you now would rough. But if you read too much comments.
Already too much.
Already too much.
Yes,
or too much. And only problem there, Bano.
Okay.
Empress, you read too much comments. But you not respond.
Debut, it's a minute on worship other.
Obi or be a celebrity, be or be a you want some can. But you not responding. A be or be responding, be or be jai. But so say gusu ba. Into the bimu fetch no mdo kokot. Over ma bontin say onu what asemo. What be fetch no wa me assume. Bu wa nya bi.
Oh me bi. E say dem kasa be let's talk.
If you no. The assembly aba. So I feel she probably overspoke or kasa adodo. And Emma akwa fa no man ko betimi aka no fi no. Akwa ba say. See, there was a time I say e ba hakwa me di hu nkomo. Me kaise sokrisafo. You say Dr. Baumia Koma some 100,000 or
100,000.
20,000.
Is it 100 and not 20?
20. Okay. Your friend will fear our line some more can say sir. And we need you.
So no.
That is part of the problems, you know.
Oh, just say nyama we hu nyama bi names. I say ko who do sika esi wa.
Hey. Yeah, but say
it would see some now or can.
Oh,
would see some now can on the release anymore. Or say a man for targeting so you're ungrateful. Why? Because a man for money no man be blowing who she. The bear man no man way. I don't know for all these 3 years in the me accounted to the wife say oh middle obi Dr. Baumesica net 20,000 by me my pocket 5k but you go down say can some more.
Me de media America.
Na ye nana say Gasin bio. Oh, be a Miss Bear Brain 5k be by. Tell me the man who be a scanner. Some sorted boys in a scanner.
Didn't form my bloggers.
Also, one accounting channel. And a man for so tagging saying your beboa one country, your beboa one. You know, Ghanaians, we are so the type of we feel entitled. Oh, yeah, they're more so bully dinner out than I see.
Yeah.
Because I didn't watch you so.
We feel so entitled. It's all she was looking for is that me couldn't share me one or move ye my doye na me because no many abre.
So that's the
na me na wona say. Me couldn't nya dadinka. Ebiem osan say me couldn't na on kano. The same people no be my doye na be si uso a wan kan share no. Ah what fa no. Omo yiye me so so a won so a won sa meka bi mane.
That the near.
Ah, me pacho. Ni kunu be kai man ka be den.
Say be enko beach.
That will not solve the problem.
Say scanny call.
Sikano na wani je ho. Sikana apese onya account no. Afa ne nsase. We move on. Bema apologize to your wife. Oh, Charlie, I'm poor no more can be bring na be family. You don't expect your husband to do public apology for something that could have been done in the house.
Not to her, but to the public that, oh, I'm sorry, she's not ungrateful, but me na man can't train in the banner.
Maybe because we were busy, I couldn't tell her. So
maybe you want me be on bet me.
Bema no wa koye singaton.
No koye de.
Una okoye, una be wa be public figure.
It's una you
who say no man could do just come and do that apology. Say oh no man no I'm say baby ni fire sinti madaroma wa obe adoya many afaso na mire fi mo fa nche me. Obi obe adoya bi edamase.
Enye boapayo.
Enye boapayo. Na no ma
but next can ko di be ma no.
Ukunu ni usikada. Undi ukunu usikada. Ade na de bi also ba say go ba di be mesika.
Me di da.
Tu say ukunu di usika.
Di me di na me di ni be ni di na
no. Di oba wan sidia.
No, ukunu di usika ego sisen. But you know because it might be so selfish, you know. Ukunu di usika is a big deal. Also what count it.
Eye man ni now.
And I'm one me say e ma bi.
Okay.
Eye so selfish nti. Ne kunu di ni sika a big deal man.
Akwan ya wo fa so di ni na ye.
E bi wo so wo ho a ne kunu be di ni sika kro hu hwi because also di ni die bebre be ma ni di. What you say? So I feel she's talking too much. And she's making matters even worse.
Yes, say on one asem.
Okwase bi oye din bi ebu ni nyansafo. Di odi kan okot enyo ne di bi mo. E dey say na akwa say ukunu ni edi bem.
Onkasa da.
Because onkasa. Now she's the one saying say na am so onkasa nti mu ka so no mum na e papa.
Of course.
Onkasa. You are the one doing the talking.
Say inyama hye no so.
I know where they are so.
No, do you mean if he and the husband?
Obano. It's in a beer. Also, be any the way and pain. To me,
there are no psychologists on your page.
Okay.
You know, you do not exert your pain on social media. Psychologists don't work from there.
Okay.
Go there.
If you are pained, talk to a psychologist.
Yeah.
Okay.
And your social media, they will make it worse. You see, we are discussing it, and she's watching.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you and can you ebe kano obesu?
And I mean pen.
But now who calls her? You know where can put for public face. And then when you're reading the release, she says that we should allow her. It's a private matter. Who told you? It was a private matter before the sing-a-thon, and nobody was talking about it. But now you have brought it out. Allow us. Mama for new atem. Mama for kangu so. Never soon answer. Say ye bibia na de beto abonten. Sabi wo nu kunu that dem na mo ye mo ade da wo de beto abonten. Le do de anwa na beto abonten. Ye married counselors. Me nya me de na me kan wo de ma.
O de so do so shallow.
Me de asumi tri so me na me kan wo de ma.
Body.
O de shallow.
Aye. No, I just so present say.
Me no wo pen here.
O de present madam. Ijawa betting go.
Obe kan sem. Ama ko fan sem.
Mama me fire no credit. But I'll plead with her with this statement no dey about on traso.
On trust.
Onya kasa.
Pacho.
Omo abusuan kasa. Because say abusuan energy aware. It is a motion na money nya aware bi ma just go through the process. Ebi mo so kasa na say okudura abroche nti no na adwen so wa yeyi e na odi abroche normal no eye say dey say ma wa right bi no. She had gone through this even before sing-a-thon. Sing-a-thon made it make things worse for her. But she has gone through it. She doesn't know how to let go. So untimi ntina ware ho just go. I've always advocated oti aware ase say na meka no oti aware fotan ase a na wo hwe na emwawa frimukom na sabi emfa aware enko heaven. Heaven aware bi enu aware ni nyina asase so. Eti mebre wa aware fotan ase e wa asase so na ensa nko nko bre obu nsam gem.
Where the need aware
Fotan. Fotan.
Short word.
What I say? And now finally ma aware so nkonko say enkwada ni timitimu saa. Nipa be breeding quarantine saa mo wo jankra no. Enkwada ni be nyini empress enkwada ni nyini o may fine girls. O me do we omba ware bi agoto ni kunfie.
Ampa o.
Enkwada ni ntina a wo ti aware fotan se na wo bre so mo ja akọ.
It's a university to 12 now.
You see how it is. It's in a my yes and quadani tiantra ware fotan bi asin yenkuyen. What wife free? You will not be the first to be divorced and you will not be the last. But what I say,
the way a society so a ya na ujaya warrior ye wono I say what bomusio why ye bibinti amani panicrating na de ni prano no person wo free nkwa want to make because say the Christopher ya warrior ni ye ya measure no tot no o kwa woni so to me ja warrior kwa ye twe wo san wa sorry dem ebi ebi wa wo tight ye be jaije ai
Really?
Yes, we offering ye be jaije nti awari jai na kwa ye bibi te say tinemu newu sana awari akoye
because mukosua abrofo no ni Roman form
yeah o ka se wo fi kwa so for kwa betumi aka cho so mu ade metu fo se tinem Yeah,
baby amusua free no.
And wasua bibi kakra. So wo awari problem pa ye bu wukun. Wo cause of what make say mom pa you.
Because only solution.
Honestly, you are saying
the suffer now wo kono ho no. Ono no tini de hu. Ehihye no. Suffer kro na wo kono no. Ono so yire man problems. But enam so on person wo beje nto on so ntimi ya. And ono suffer. And no person so suffer.
And so mujali coded.
Why?
Of a companion in the suffering.
Edrumre bi a manfo nkofo bi call Yesu. No musa say, "Alright. What church sa ba won kire ade bi fa aware ho." No say dia ade a. O say yen amamre mu no. Se me ola mi wu a mi ni odi machi same ebe ware me yire. Same so wu a na nka mo be ma bi di echi obe ware mi yire ene same so yire akon no so yire ho. Sa toto asonson. No musa say chi say they say you have now a year no man ya. Yes you show money sir brother as me ya bregu. Me ba say me ncha aware asem ha. Having na me person me tro kwan fa so kon. Ye fa aware nko ho. And the house ye nko ware ho. Eti asase so shishe. So why are you so versed in asase so shishe when you are supposed to focus on she said a soft mommy Florence kind. She said what Japade wo hin. Aware nka ho. Eti ade no so trim na wu ha.